Hi everyone, I'm Chris Saxton, your Energy Swing Windows client consultant, and I'm welcoming you to come into the Energy Swing Design Center today to see exactly how our unique double hung operates, different than any other double hung on the marketplace today. So first off, like a traditional double hung, both the bottom sash go up and down, and the top sash raises and lowers as well. So we're going to start off with one of the biggest problems on double hung windows. It's the screen assembly that you see on most windows. This screen system is totally unique. It has two pull finger latches here and two pull tabs. Once you release the tabs, there's actually a safety catch on the outside so the screen can't fall out, but it makes it a unique feature because now you can raise the top sash and raise the bottom sash and actually grab the screen and bring it right to the inside of your home from the outside. One thing about the screen material that we'll talk about is its structure. How strong this material really is versus most screen materials that are on the marketplace today, because this is an extruded form of a screen. It's not a roll form, so it's not bend. It doesn't become flimsy or become difficult to put back into the window because it's all distorting out of shape. This one's very simple. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how we put the screen back into the window. Slide it out through the bottom opening, slide it into the bottom safety catch, lower the windows, use the finger tab to go ahead and pull it in, lock the clips into place. One very important key is, once you do that, you have to put the finger tabs back over so that when you raise the sash up, it doesn't get caught on it at all. Now we'll talk on a couple other features that are on the Energy Swing double hung. One thing is a night latch safety feature right here. So right here in the corner, you actually pull out on the bottom, it becomes triangular. It only allows the window to open about 2 inches from the bottom up, or vice versa. Safety catch from the top down. Again, it only allows that window to open a little bit. Great for if you're at a high level in a home and you just want notification that you're up there and you don't want these windows to fully open, or you want a little draft during the evening while you're sleeping, so someone can't just walk into your home. Next part we talk about, which is very important, is the glass itself. So standard on every Energy Swing double hung is a double pane, double strength panel of glass. So it's much thicker glass than you're going to see on most double hungs in the marketplace. But there is the option for an additional charge to upgrade to triple pane glass as well. That's something you have to see a consultant and see what's right for your home and your energy efficiency needs. Now, the next kicker is what makes us different. Once you want to open this window to clean, you actually slide the bottom sash up. There's a clip. I'm going to push right below the clip and release that and let it drop down into place. There's a second clip when I raise this down that I'm going to do that as well. Once I enable the 2 clips to be open, the bottom sash is going to swing to a 90 degrees, which is really nice to be able to clean the inside of the glass surface. The other nice part is I can clean the glass at my height. So I'm not tilting a window in and looking down through it and seeing all the specks in the carpet and the flooring that's down there and having to tilt it back up. This way I can actually clean all at my glass height. The top sash then comes down. It comes to about a 50-degree open point where I'm going to actually be able to clean the glass on the outside of the window at that 50-degree mark. Plenty of room to get in there, reach all the glass, put it all back into place. Then I slide everything back. The unique part to our windows, it creates what they call a sash in the track system. So when you see me open the clips, it actually slid the jamb out of the way of the sash. Now when you see them go back into place, you're going to form one of the tightest seals on any double hung that's available in the marketplace. So most windows that tilt in towards you, the sash has to be shorter than the frame. And when that sash is shorter than the frame, they fill that void with weather stripping. That's potential for air leakage. If something gets a little bit out of whack, the installation isn't right. So this is made as one of the strongest sealing double hungs on the marketplace today. The last benefit I'll talk about is what we reinforce the inside of the sash vinyl with. So when you see screws through hardware and through any of the rotating clips, what you're going to see is in between there, we're still old school, so we use strength. This is all reinforced with aluminum inside of these rails. So when you see screws, they're not screwed through plastic. They're actually screwed through aluminum, and they have a nice tight grip to them and a nice tight bite to them. So this is what keeps our windows being totally different than any of the other windows that are on the marketplace today. I welcome you to come on down to the Energy Swing Design Center. Check it out for yourself. Operate it. It's a full-size sample, so it's an average size window that's in everybody's home. Thanks so much for your time today.